Welcome back, guys. This is gonna be a quick video. Still working on the block here. I'm gonna have some update videos on this, what I'm doing. Also, but I want to give a quick shout out to TPV Productions for sending me out these LT1 junk stickers, which is pretty cool graphics on there. Gonna be putting them on both my cars. I got one on my toolbox over there, and I'll figure out someplace else to put this. But yeah, great prices. Not sponsored here, just for the LT1 guys. I thought this was really a cool item. I'll put all his link below, his link to his channel and everything where you can go and buy these stickers. But yeah, good deal, good price, good graphics, good guy. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.